first, I will show you guys. You guys did your homework as a quizzes. So I have your results here. You guys did really good. Good job. So looks like the most missed question was, what is easier to move a ball across a smooth wooden tile than why is it easier to move a ball across a smooth wooden tile than across a piece of sandpaper? Why is it easier to move it across a smooth wooden tile? Smooth surfaces have what? Do smooth more friction or less friction? Who knows? Milk, smooth surfaces have more friction or less friction? Rough.
Less friction.
Yeah, less friction. So it's easier to move things across smooth surfaces than rough surfaces. Okay, let's look at the player level. So today, our winner, first place, is Sophia. Sophia got first place today. Zook, good job. You got second place with only 100 less. Good job, Zook. And then we have Skart getting third place. Good job to Ray, Sino, Alex, Pasta, Sam, Lucky, Rose, Emma, Jackie, Taylor, Kim. Good job all getting in the green. Lisa, Rose, and Poppy. If you're in the green, you did really good. Okay. Good job, everyone. The quiz was actually pretty hard. Good job, everyone. Okay. Okay, today we are going to go to space. The first thing you guys need to do is you need to get a piece of paper and pencil. You're a space explorer, and your spaceship is going to take off next month. Once you leave for this trip, you might not be able to come back. Take 2 to 3 minutes to write what you would bring. Okay, guys, so you're about to go on a space trip. It's going to be very long. What are some things you would want to bring along with you that you would miss from Earth? What would you miss from Earth? Guys, get a piece of paper, a pencil, and I'm going to give you guys around 2 to 3 minutes to write what you would miss from Earth. What would you bring with you? Would you bring ice cream? Would you bring a dog, a cat? You can bring whatever you want. You can bring a trampoline, a car, a motorbike, whatever you want to bring to space, you can bring, okay? So get a piece of paper and pencil and take these 2 to 3 minutes to write what you would bring into space on your adventure. Okay, everyone, I'm going to call on a few of you. I want you guys to share what you're going to be bringing along our space trip journey. Let's have Sophia. What are you going to bring on our spaceship journey?
Bring a house.
A house. Sounds good to me. We can bring a house.
And 2 dogs, 2 cats, 1,000 ice cream.
1,000 ice cream. Hopefully it doesn't melt. We're going to have a swimming pool of ice cream on our spaceship.
Yes, I will put all of the ice creams and I will swim and I will eat them.
Oh, okay.
Are you
going to share any with the rest of class?
No.
No? Okay, the whole class is coming. I think they're going to want some ice cream. Thank you, Sophia. Okay, Moon, what are you bringing?
I have homework book, food, drink, paper, doll, cup, flag, iPhone, pencil case, pen, eraser, lantern, pool, and a kitchen.
Whoa. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. I'm excited to have it on the ship. Okay, Kim, what are you bringing?
I bring in my house and my swimming pool.
Okay. A house and a swimming pool. We have 2 houses on our spaceship now. This is getting good. This would be pretty awesome. Okay, Jackie.
I bring my mom, my iPad, my dad, my brother, my books, my laptop, a pen, and some meat, and I need lunch.
Okay, we're bringing your family along. We got some meat. Hopefully it's some good meat. Sounds good. Who else would like to share? Alex, what would you like to bring?
I wanted to bring my astronaut suits and clothes. They are on a spaceship and some food. Because food on space is so yucky. Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
Some of that dried, the dried food. Some dehydrated burgers. Sounds good to me. Okay, Zook, what are you bringing?
I think already I don't even bring anything.
Oh, he's just ready. Zook is bringing himself. That's all he
I just
needs.
bring me.
Yeah, that's all we need, Zook. That's all we need. Zook's just ready for an adventure. I like that. Mango.
Because I bring a book and some snacks in the drink. But when I open my juice, they stop floating in the air.
Sounds good to me. We're gonna be playing some We're gonna be playing some football in space. We're gonna be playing some football in space. Taylor, what are you bringing?
First I bring a sleeping bag,
Mm-hmm.
a bag of rice, a bag of fish, vegetable, some toys on my iPad, and a bathroom.
Okay, I like the bag of rice. That's a good idea. I don't know about the bag of fish. They might start smelling our spaceship up. But I like the idea of rice. And finally, let's do one more. Sam. Here.
I will bring snack, my pet chocolate, drink, laptop, a pen, and some hot chocolate. That is the first sentence. And the thing I need is gas, backpack, a phone, a bowl and cloth, and some water.
Okay, guys. I like all the stuff you guys are bringing. Let's go and run a simulation. Let's go try to launch our rocket ship. We brought all of our stuff. It's time to go. So let's count down from 5. I'm going to unmute everyone. We got to count down from 5. Ready?
5,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Stop.
We're gonna. Oh, we made it. Oh.
Oh no.
Our spaceship crashed. It's on the ground. It crashed. Okay. Our computer simulation showed that our class's spaceship crashed. In your own words, explain why our spaceship might have failed to make it to outer space. Why did it fail? Taylor, what do you think?
Your brain is too heavy.
We brought stuff that's too heavy. I think that's a good idea. Let's ask someone else. That's a good idea, Taylor. Jackie, why do you think spaceship failed?
I think the spaceship failed because it has to have and many like
Yeah, we have too much stuff. What force is pulling us back to Earth? We're too heavy. What force is pulling us back to Earth? Ray, what force is pulling us back to Earth? Gravity. Gravity is what gives things weight. We weigh too much. We made it. We all look. We'll watch. I'll watch. We can play it one more time. Okay. Boom. See, we didn't make it. We didn't make it. Our spaceship crashed. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for your suggestions. We're gonna leave all your stuff at home. I'm only gonna bring you guys. You guys are not gonna. We're not gonna bring anything. We're gonna be like Zook. Zook had the right idea. Zook didn't bring anything. I'm just gonna bring the class. Okay, we adjusted our spaceship's weight, and now we should be light enough to make it past Earth's gravitational pull. Let's count down by 5 again. Okay, let's count down by 5. I'm gonna unmute everyone. 5.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! I cannot see any.
Oh, there we go. Mission success. Let's have someone read it for us this time. Sam, tell us about our mission.
We made it safe to Earth's outer orbit. We escaped Earth's gravitational pull, and we still have enough fuel to make it to Mars.
Okay, we have enough fuel to make it to Mars. I didn't tell you guys where we were going, but we're gonna Our spaceship is heading to Mars. Uh-oh. Oh, Mars is welcoming us. Hi, Mars. Everyone should say hi to Mars. Hi, Mars. Okay.
Hi, Mars.
Okay, who can tell us what we first did? Bunny, what did we do first?
We land safe onto the surface of Mars.
Okay, that's good. That's a good start. And then Sarah, what did we do second?
We set up a tiny base on the planet to live and do
Research.
research.
Very good. Okay, guys, now we're on the surface and we set up a tiny little base. Look at our base, guys. You can see our base right here. We have a tiny little base. Okay, this is where we can do some research together. Let's have Puppy. Can you read the next sentence?
We now have our base set up, but it's time to go explore the surface of Mars.
Okay, guys, so we have our base all set up, but now it's time to go exploring on Mars. This is our Mars rover. This is our Mars rover. 3 different options for tires. Okay, we have wooden tires, rubber tires, and metal tires. Could you guys all write down which tire you think is going to be the best tire for going and exploring Mars? Write down at least 1 sentence, maybe 2, about which tire you think will be the best for exploring Mars. And maybe write me what is the worst one for exploring Mars. We got to choose, okay? Everyone should be writing this down. Write down which tire you think is best and which tire you think is worst. I'm gonna call on you guys in about 1 minute, 2 minutes, and we'll see which tire our class wants to use. You guys have 1 more minute and I'm gonna start calling on you and we're gonna choose our tires for our first little activity. Okay, everyone, let's decide. I'm gonna call on a few of you guys. Tell me what you guys think the best tire is and which one you think is going to be the worst. Okay. Daisy, what tire do you think is going to be the best for our Land Rover? Wood, rubber, or metal? What do you think?
Metal.
Metal. Okay, metal's a great choice. Let's see what the rest of your class thinks. Sina, what do you think a good choice for our tire is going to be?
I choose rubber because rubber can go over a bumpy surface.
Rubber is able to go over bumpy surfaces. What else do we want our tires to have? Zook, what is something else we want our tire to have?
I think that the tire will be the rubber too.
Rubber has a
Because,
lot of what? What did we learn about last class?
Friction.
Friction. Rubber has a lot of friction. Which one do you guys think has the least amount of friction? The least amount of friction. Kim, which one of these tires do you think has the least amount of friction?
I think
Which one do you think is the most smooth? The most smooth.
wood.
The wood. Yeah, the wood could definitely be the answer. Wood is a great answer. How about Alex? Which one do you think has the least amount of friction?
It is metal.
Yeah, metal probably does.
As a thing even harder, the friction gets more least.
Yeah, the harder the object, yeah, the friction gets a little bit less. Okay, so Pasta, you've listened to a lot of your classmates. Which tire should we probably put on our Land Rover, our Mars rover?
I think I should probably choose
Rubber.
Okay, let's put on some rubber wheels. Okay, guys, we have added some rubber wheels to our robot. He's waking up, he's moving, he's going. Okay. Our Land Rover looks really nice. I'm glad you guys helped me build this Mars rover with our rubber tires. Okay, he's ready to go. Let's have Moon. Can you read it next?
Now that our Mars rover is up and running, we can use it to collect some samples from Mars.
Okay, let's collect some samples. Okay, first I would like to go over the info, the force info. Our Mars rover has a pushing force of 6N and has a pulling force of 10N. Okay, he can pull things with the force of 10N and he can push some things with the force of 6N. Our robot's pretty strong. Our robot is pretty strong. Okay, I'll put the info over here. Oh, we have our first object. Beep, beep, beep. Object of interest detected. Okay. Let's look at it. We analyzed it and it takes a force of 8N to move it. Should we tell our robot to push it or pull the object back to base, Commander? Which one should we do? This one's going to take a force of 8N to move. What should we do? Cherry, what should we tell our robot to do? Should he push it back to base or pull it back to base? And you guys, you can look over here to help you out. Which one is strong enough to pull it or push it? If the force it takes is 8.
Push equal 10.
So the push equals 6. What equals 10?
A pull.
Yeah, a pull. So we'll tell our robot to do what? Push or pull? Pull. Yeah, we'll pull it, guys. Good job, Cherry. Well, we got that sample. Uh-oh. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, our Mars rover detected a new object. This one is only 5N. What can we do to get it back to our spaceship or our base, Commander? Let's have Lisa. What should we do? Lisa, what should we do? Should we push or pull it back to base?
You should push it at base.
Yeah, we can push it back to base. Very good. How much force can we push with?
5N.
Yeah, we can push it. Yeah, 6N. And it's only going to take 5N. Good job. You saved us a little bit of energy. You saved us a little bit of energy. We only have to push it now with 6N. Very good. Our robot's going to have a little bit more battery left to go exploring. Okay, let's go see if we find anything else. Whoa, that's a cool looking crystal. Okay, let's see how heavy this one is. I want to get this one back. Oh, that one's pretty heavy. That one has a weight of 9. That one takes 9N to move. What should we do? Should we push or pull it back to base? Uh-oh. Emma, should we push or pull this one back to base?
Pull.
Why should we pull?
Because it is 10N.
Yeah, because it's 10N and it takes 9N to move because 10 is greater than 9. Okay, let's get that back to base. Oh, our last item we found on Mars. I think this is going to be one of the last items we found on Mars. Wow, what do you guys think this is? What do you guys think this is? Blue Moon, make sure you have your camera on. Blue Moon, what do you think this is?
It's an egg.
You think it's an egg? Uh-oh. That sounds a little scary.
This.
Uh-oh, we better be careful. Let me see what else someone thinks. Taylor, what do you think it is?
I think it is an egg covered of rock.
Okay. Jackie, what do you think it is?
I think it's an egg with something in it.
Something inside of it. Okay, guys, you got to be careful with this egg. I don't want this thing to hatch. There might be an alien in here. Okay, guys. Should we push or pull it back to base? Should we push or pull it back to base? Ben 10, should we push or pull this back to base?
I think it's cool.
You think it's pull? Okay, how much can we pull with? What's our force?
It's 10 and
Okay, and how much does it take to move?
moon is 11 and
Do you think is our robot strong enough to move it?
I think the robot is run out of that.
Okay, let's test it. Let's see if our robot can move it. We're gonna put it I'm gonna give it all the energy you can get, okay? Uh-oh, he's saying air, 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 air. Okay, the object is too heavy. We're not gonna be able to bring it back. We can't bring the egg back. There could have been an alien in that. We're gonna have to build a bigger rover to come back and get it. We're gonna have to build a stronger robot, I think, to come back for this egg. We could have made one of the biggest discoveries in human history. Okay, meanwhile, back at base. Good job, class. Our Mars base is looking great. Our Mars base is looking really good, guys. It looks like it's gone up. It's gone a little bit bigger. We have a telescope now. We're doing really good. We're doing really good now that we left those houses at home. Okay, our base is looking great. Okay, Kim, what does class say?
Our base look great, but where is our land rover? What are our samples?
Thank you, yeah. Where's our Land Rover? He's missing. Where's our Mars rover? Oh, beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's have Moon. Can you read our class bubble?
The Mars rover must be stuck. We should use a blank to
Okay. All we have is some blank, such as a lever, ramp, and a hammer. Okay, how should Mr. Connor finish his sentence? What is Mr. Connor's blank? Does anyone remember? We should use some blank, such as a lever, ramp, and hammer. Ray.
Simple machines.
Simple machines, exactly. And what simple machine should we use? Back to the class, which simple machine should we use? Zook, which simple machine should we use? A lever, a ramp, or a hammer to
I would
help?
choose a ramp.
A ramp. Very good. Okay, guys, let's build a ramp. Okay, we built a ramp going into our base. We got a ramp now going into our base. Let's see if this helps the rover. Beep, 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 beep. The rover is still not strong enough to make it up the ramp. What can we do to make the ramp better? How can we make our ramp better?
We going to make it longer.
Okay, we're gonna make it longer. Okay, let me ask one more classmate. Let's see what else your classmate thinks. Alex, how can we make our ramp better?
As we use a ramp, we need a long ramp because as the ramp gets longer, the friction gets lesser.
Okay, okay. Yeah, the friction gets a little less intense. Let's see what class says. Okay, Scart, can you read what class says?
Make it longer. The longer the ramp, the less force it will take to make it to our bus.
Okay, let me make it longer. Oh, made the ramp nice and long. You guys can see it now. Perfect. Class said it worked. We can now test our samples. Take them back to the lab. Okay, guys, you guys are gonna use your lab skills to test out our samples the rover collected. Okay, good job, everyone. Mars was a mission success. You guys did a great job using your knowledge of forces to make this a mission success. If Mr. Connor ever goes into space again, he knows who he is bringing along. Good job, everyone. You guys made it through our mission. You made it through our mission. Good job, everyone. Okay, now your homework is page 98. Page 98. You have to read about gravity, answers questions 15 and 16, and research and complete question 17. Use at least 3 sentences to talk about your findings. Let me show you your homework real quick. This is your page from your homework. Okay. You guys need to read about gravity and net force. This is all about rockets taking off from Earth, as you guys can see in the picture. Okay. You guys have to fill in the blanks for number 15. Fill in the blanks for number 15. Fill in the blanks for number 16. So the first part is reading. 15 and 16 is fill in the blank. And then finally, number 17, research a famous rocket launch. Gather information about the structure of the rocket and its engine. Find photos of the rocket launching and label the forces. Share your research with classmates and turn it in. Okay, so follow the directions of number 17. Look up a famous rocket launch. Maybe find a picture of the rocket. Okay, and label some of the forces. Label some of the forces on the rocket. Okay, bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day.